In this episode, I will show you how to improve your English speaking in just 7 days using a very simple daily method. No difficult grammar, no pressure. Just listen, repeat, and speak. Let's begin. Day 1. Listen carefully. Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Day 1 of our 7-day English speaking challenge. I am so happy you are here. Today is a very important day, but it is also a very easy day. Your only job for Day 1 is only to listen carefully. Do not speak yet, just listen. We will train your ears to hear English sounds, rhythm, and patterns. Please listen to my voice. Listen to how I say each word. Do not think about grammar. Just listen. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. Short sentences. I will say a simple sentence 3 times. Just listen. Focus on the sound. Sentence 1. I wake up early. I wake up early. I wake up early. Sentence 2. I drink water. I drink water. I drink water. Sentence 3. The weather is good. The weather is good. The weather is good. Good. Very good. Part 2. A little longer. Now, listen to these slightly longer sentences. Just listen. 1. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. 2. I go to work every day. I go to work every day. 3. I learn English with this video. I learn English with this video. Excellent! You are doing perfectly. Part 3. A small conversation. Now listen to a very short conversation. Imagine 2 people talking. Hello, how are you? I am good, thank you. What is your name? My name is Alex. Now I will say the entire conversation 1 time. Just listen to the flow. Hello, how are you? I am good, thank you. What is your name? My name is Alex. That is all for Day 1. Your brain is learning. It is getting used to English. This is the most important first step. Your homework today is this. Listen to this video 2 more times. Today, you only need to listen. Let the English sounds come into your ears. Tomorrow, on Day 2, we will start to speak. But for today, just relax and listen. You did a great job. I am proud of you for starting this challenge. Remember, a little practice every day makes a big difference. Please like this video and comment below Day 1 done to let me know you are participating. See you tomorrow for Day 2. Repeat out loud. Keep practicing. Goodbye.